Hi, I'm Amanda Haas, and today I'm going to show you two of my favorite recipes to make on the Traeger. They're both grilled veggies. I'm going to do corn on the cob and asparagus. Okay, to start with corn on the cob, there are two different ways I like to do it. They're both super easy. It just depends on what you like. One is I'm going to start by removing the husks, or I should say I'm going to take the silk out, so all of this piece that you don't want, but I'm going to leave the husks intact. I think this one's really fun because we're going to cook it in the husks, so all you want to do is make sure you get rid of the silk. And these are going to come out really easily. Then I'm going to take some olive oil, brush it with olive oil. If you like butter, of course you could use that too. You just want something so that the spice rub can adhere to it. Okay, let's start shaking some of this awesome veggie rub on it. You could use any rub you like. I love this veggie rub. You'll taste onion and garlic and paprika. Super simple, but it adds a ton of flavor. Okay, so now, look, I'm just gonna fold it right back up, and you can kind of just twist the end. If you want it to be really secure, just take a piece of butcher's twine, or you could take extra husk and wrap it around. Tie it up. What's going to happen on the grill when you cook it in the husk is this is going to get charred and gorgeous, and it's going to steam it more inside, leaving it with awesome flavor. But let me show you one other way to do it too, where you can kind of have a built-in handle. It's so easy. I'm just going to take this back again. So let's start with the husks. Again, I'm trying to keep the husks intact, and I'll show you why. I'm just going to take a piece of butcher twine to create a little handle here. Tie it around once or twice. I always think this is a fun way to serve it for kids because they get their own little handle. Then let's just trim this a little bit. Now we just want to brush it with olive oil and put the seasoning on. Beautiful. I'm gonna get every last bite seasoned, and we're good to go. Okay, now that our corn is prepped, I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite asparagus. Look how easy this is. I've just got a bunch of asparagus. And the bottoms of asparagus tend to be really just tough. So there are two ways that you can take care of that. One is naturally, check it out, you can see where it snaps, and that's the part you want to discard. But if you don't want to go through and snap each piece, just aim for the bottom third. You can kind of see it too. See this white part? I'm just going to cut that part off. Here you go. Get rid of those. And then I'm going to prep this on a baking sheet. I love when I don't have to use a lot of pots, pans, and bowls to prep things. Just put it right on here. I'm going to add a little bit of the same olive oil I used for the corn, and let's just drizzle. And for this one, wait for it, I'm going to use the fin and feather rub. Yes, it's great on fish. Yes, it's great on chicken and other things, but it's also delicious on vegetables. Paprika, garlic, onion, you can't go wrong. Okay, there we go. So now, give it a shake. Don't be afraid to use your hands, because we just want to make sure that it's well coated, so it's really well seasoned all the way through. And then I'm going to put these directly on the grill grates. I love doing vegetables at 400 degrees. Most of these are really forgiving. They'll cook faster. So I'm going to put the asparagus on with the corn and give it about 10 minutes, and then I'll take a peek. Okay, so we're done. I'm going to just put them both on the same platter. It'll be gorgeous. Okay, see this color? This is just all wood-fired flavor too. Makes a huge difference. These corn are beautiful. Look how well those turned out. Oh. Let's eat. Well, these look amazing already. I'm just gonna finish them off with a little drizzle of butter. More flavor, of course. But they're so easy to do. I hope you'll try them on your Traeger. To get these recipes and more, visit us online at traegergrills.com/recipes, or you can download the Traeger app.